Hey peoples, wonderful peoples of YouTube, my channel and the group. So this is
Jeremy
from the DTF. He was, let's get it right, was the guy on the DTF Superstore that did all the coloring.
But now I'm starting my own thing, Color Gamut Consulting. So I want to help people be able to get better color, better results from DTF.
See, now this is a person, when you ask me about color anymore, you go to this guy. Go to his channel. Perfect, I'm telling you, go to his channel, he'll help you out 100%. You know I'm not good with the color thing. I just did my thing, I'm crazy as hell, but I'm not that good yet.
We're gonna help you get better with the color things. So you don't have to say that anymore.
So there it is. You see, we got help. We got help now with coloring. So all the wonderful people who keep asking about coloring, we got some good help. Not half-ass help. We got good help.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Step up your A game, step up your A game.